Hello and welcome back. Today I've got something big. One of the most anticipated AI crypto projects has just opened its airdrop claims. If you've completed their tasks, earned points, or participated in their testnets, you may already be eligible to receive OPG tokens. Even early followers on their social platforms could qualify. So this is definitely worth checking. So, what is OpenGradient? OpenGradient is a decentralized infrastructure network that brings verifiable AI computation directly on-chain. In simple terms, it acts like an AI coprocessor for blockchain, allowing dApps and AI agents to run heavy models without relying on centralized providers like OpenAI or AWS. That's a big deal, because it removes the need to trust a single authority while still enabling powerful AI functionality. If you want to check your eligibility and go through the claiming process, I've left all the links in the description below. That's it for this walkthrough. If this helped you, drop a like and share it with someone farming airdrops. And subscribe for more crypto guides, safety tips, and early opportunities. Stay smart, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.